Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Shelley and I are thrilled to celebrate our third holiday season in your beautiful country.
While we're missing Zagreb's Advent markets this year, the glowing holiday lights in this incredible city of culture remind us of Croatians' unyielding spirit in the face of adversity.
From the global pandemic to a tragic earthquake, 2020 has been a difficult year. But despite the steep challenges, we've accomplished a lot together. Our bilateral economic relationship is rock solid and continues to improve. More than 150 companies with a U.S. connection contribute to the Croatian economy, including more than 13,000 jobs here in Croatia. Trade in goods and services between our two countries totaled nearly 13 billion Kuna, or nearly $2 billion in 2019. To pave the way for more U.S. investment in Croatia, our two governments have worked diligently on a double taxation agreement. This year, we have seen strong momentum towards signing a treaty in 2021. We are also getting closer to a visa-free travel for Croatians to the United States. In October, I was delighted to announce that the refusal rate for Croatian tourist and business visa applicants fell below 3% for the first time. This is one of the most critical and difficult criteria for joining the visa waiver program. I remain optimistic that the Croatians will begin to travel the United States visa-free in the near future. Our security partnership within NATO is a key pillar of our bilateral relationship and one of our strongest areas of mutual success. The United States is proud to have provided 4.5 billion Kuna, over $700 million in military assistance to Croatia over the past decade, from training and specialized education for soldiers to advanced equipment and infrastructure. We will keep working shoulder to shoulder with our Croatian partners to ensure the continued security of our two countries. To top off 2020, Prime Minister Plenković and his team helped us make Secretary Pompeo's historic visit to Dubrovnik an unforgettable success. Watching Secretary Pompeo and Prime Minister Plenković stand side by side and address the world in the spectacular city of Dubrovnik will be forever ingrained in my memory. Our two nations remain among the strongest allies in the world. While my time in Croatia is nearing an end, everyone at Embassy Zagreb looks forward to continuing the hard work together in 2021. We will certainly take our close relationship to an even higher level. Shelley and I will soon be leaving Croatia for our home in Southern California. We will miss our colleagues and friends here, but it is time to return to our children, grandchildren, and friends in the United States. We have been privileged to represent the United States in your beautiful Croatia. Thank you for making Shelley and me feel so at home here. We will certainly return as tourists.
We will never forget this country, and we will keep the many deep friendships we've built with so many Croatians. From our family to yours, we wish you a safe and happy holiday season.
Happy holidays.